Hello everybody, this is AT from ForexPreparation.com. Today is Wednesday, the 5th of March 2007, and we're looking at the Euro-Dollar currency pair. I'm a little bearish with this currency pair today, and this is primarily to the fact that when we go to the 4 hours chart, what I'm seeing here is this negative divergence, which is right here, and then we have we have this candle formation which followed after we had a resistance check, and we had after that this red candle which was followed by this little cross here, which might be the indication that a downturn is going to follow. So if this is the case, our support level is going to be set on the level of 1.5117, which are approximately 71 pips away from the current price. When we go to 8 hours time frame, what we have here is again a very small divergence, and the difference between negative divergence and it is actually 1 pip divergence, since the close of this peak is on the level of 1.5231 and the close of the second peak is on the level of 1.5232, which is just 1 pip of a difference, but it is still a divergence since we have a lower low on the relative strength indicator, lower high. So again, if we zoom out this part here, we can see that our next support level is set on this minor high here on the level of 1.5117. So from a daily perspective, what we have here is again we have a small divergence, very tiny one, and this might be the case when we have a fall in price followed by this divergence, actually preceded by this divergence. Okay, let's go back to the 1 hour chart, and what might happen is we might see the price to come down to this level of 1.5132, which is the support level on the 1 hour chart, and after this level is reached we could either see a break below it or a bounce above it. So a more certain signal would come if you are willing to wait until you see a break below this level of 1.5135. So when you see a close on the hourly chart below this level, then you might start selling down this currency pair with a stop loss order of, let's say, 30-35 pips above where you enter the market. But again, I repeat that in order to open a sell position you have to see a close below this level of 1.5135 in order to be more certain that downtrend might be in place. Okay, another thing that I'm seeing right here is that we can see the price fall lower, and it might be a part of this this declining channel, but this is again very hypothetical view, and I'm not willing to consider it unless we see a close below the level of 1.5135. So if we go to the British pound US dollar, what we can see here is I noticed that actually that there is a symmetrical triangle which was forming on the 1 hour chart, and when it loads you can see this formation. Okay, so it is right here, and this is this is a symmetrical triangle, which in technical terms means a continuation of the previous trend, but I'm not quite sure whether this is going to happen here, since we have on the hourly chart these symmetrical triangles are actually taking less time to form, and they're a sign of a continuation. But when this pattern takes such a long time on the hourly chart, or this is let's say 7 or 8 days, then we might see another thing happening, or the price falling down to this level, and this might turn into a rectangle range trading pattern, and the price might be streaming down to this level of 1.9650 or 40, which are 200 pips below the price, the current price. The relative strength indicator is on the level of 41, so this is another negative signal which might made us think about selling this currency pair. Okay, so if you open a sell position with this currency pair on the current level of 1.9840, then you should place a stop loss order on the level of 1.9875, and these are going to be 35 pips. You'll be risking 35 pips, and the potential target, the primary target, is going to be this support level on the level of 1.9736. So you have a chance of making 100 pips, or the lower boundary is going to be another 100 pips below this level and is going to be on the level of 1.9632. So if you're willing, you can open a sell position selling the British pound against the US dollar on the current market level. But again, I don't think that I'll be trading today either, since this is not a very strong confirmation that we might have a selling pressure on the British pound US dollar, and I'll be just waiting to see something more certain in the coming days. Thank you very much, and have a good day.